Troops from Northern Ireland have started deploying to Afghanistan. Last night it was the turn of 2 rifles who will support 20 Armoured Brigade during Op Herrick 15 as the Brigade Advisory Group. It's the rifles' first tour since 2009 and they are well prepared for the task in hand.
Training pretty much solidly since Easter time as a collective, and then before that we were doing individual specific training for the guys doing lots of different courses. So in all it's probably been about 9 months in total training to get to this point. So most people are just pleased to start the tour, and then of course it counts down to when we come home.